Hey guys, we YaRasights welcome you all on our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to check whether a number is positive or negative. Now first, we'll declare a variable and variable name as A. Use float data type and input function to read input. To check if a number is positive or negative, we have to use if-else condition. And in if condition, we will give a condition that if a is greater than 0, then in the printf statement, we will write now. In elif condition, we will give if a is less than 0, then in the printf statement, we will write and then we will give else block, and in the else we'll just simply write okay. So let's run this program. Now give input as 45 and check. See, it works. Thank you.